Alright guys, I'm about 15 feet from my truck. I'm backing up. Sorry it's dark. Chilling, hold up. Backing up. I'm getting further back, and just note that my train horns are actually pointed forwards, so you know, they're extremely louder in the front, but just going all the way back. All the way back. Hold on! Alright, hold on. I'm running back. I'm probably about 100 yards away from my truck. That's probably about 100 yards. Alright, hit it! Alright guys, just giving you a little example of how loud it is.